Okay, so this mirror was previously gray, as you can see here. Yes, I had run out of white spray paint and then I spray painted it gold, but then I hated it even more. So this is the reason why we are having this video today. Hey guys, so yes, as I've just shared, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and hit that red subscribe button. So let's put on our protective gear and start DIYing. Here's today's supplies: an old butter knife which has now turned into a DIY knife. Okay, don't judge me. Sandpaper, this fiber coarse rope, and paint. So this is the chalk paint I'll be using. It's a cherry. Girl, you know you can't pronounce that. And a brush.
You will need a glue gun and glue sticks. Note to self, I need to buy a scraper. And yes, I was watching a YouTube cooking video while doing this DIY.
What I want to do underneath the fish is a beautiful bed of cucumber and avocado. Have you ever worked with an avocado before?
So I'm done scraping off. It took me a good 45 minutes. It would have taken me much less had I had a proper scraper. Yeah, I'm just sanding down the roughness that I'm feeling on here. I'm not sanding it down to be perfect because that ain't gonna happen. And besides, I'm going to put rope around it so you won't see it anyway. So I'm just sanding this down so that it feels smooth when I rub my fingers on it, and then we move on to the next step. I definitely need a sander. I do. I need to buy myself a sander. Doing it the old school way is getting very old. So with using your glue gun, always ensure that it is obviously hot, it is melting, and press the release knob onto the actual object, then press the rope strongly against the glue, against the surface, so that it sticks on effortlessly. Okay, I'm going to do a time lapse here. Yay, it is complete. That was so easy, guys. It really is. So now, as you can see, there's old residue of dried glue, and I'm going to cover this area with the twine that I had gotten from Spain from the DIY collab we did. I will link the video down in the description box and up on my card up here, and I'm going to wrap this around with hot glue. Yay, so it is done. Thank you so much for getting this far in this video. I really appreciate it.
Comment down below if there is an item in your house that you are thinking of upcycling. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. See you next time. Peace.